So now I'm going to show you the third technique that we can use. This one you're going to need your watercolor paints, your brush, and a straw. A plastic, paper, metal straw, it doesn't matter. So that's what you're going to need. For this one, you're going to basically put blobs of paint or water and then blobs of paint onto your paper. And you're going to take your straw once you've done that, and you're going to blow your watercolor across your paper. Now this is messy, so make sure that you have, your space cleared out around you and nothing that you don't want to get watercolor paint on. So that's all you do. You just, with a clean brush, and make sure it's clean because it will leave the color on your paper of whatever color you used. So just, blob your paint on there or your water on there. And then whatever color you want to use, and put that in there. And then just take your straw and you can mix the paint this way too. You can blow the colors into each other. So let's do not complementary colors, primary colors. Let's do blue and red, and we'll mix those. So I'm going to put a big splotch of water right here and a big splotch of water right there, and then I'm going to put my blue paint in one, and then rinse my brush. And put my red paint in the other one. And then you can mix them together. So now you have purple fireworks as well as your red and blue splotches. So that's the next technique that you guys can do. You can create your entire background with that method. You can put as many blobs on there as you want and use the straw to blow them into each other and see what kind of background you create.